What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Casting with Jay. Today we are outside, we're doing an unboxing video, but before we get into that, I just want to take a minute to thank everyone who is supporting the channel, supporting the Instagram page. I've had a few friends tell me, hey man, keep it going, I like the content. Stuff like that's really encouraging to hear, so it's pretty awesome that I'm doing this and it's really fun. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed. I think we have right around 29 subscribers. That's more than I ever thought I could possibly have. I know it's a low number, but it's still cool that at least 29 of you hopefully are watching my videos and hopefully learning something. So just want to thank you guys for that. And then thank you to everyone who follows the Instagram page. I think we're right around 60 followers. And there are a few updates with that as well. I am starting to do subscriber Saturdays, which is where I'm going to be shouting out different subscribers. If you guys DM me pictures of like your fish catches or a cool lure you got, or rod and reel, or a boat, or something, anything really. So you guys can just DM me and I'll pick the one I like the most for that week. And I'll give you guys a shout out on the channel's Instagram page, Casting with Jay. I'll have that link down below, and I'll have it pop up right here as well. So yeah, I hope to keep growing. I encourage anyone who's watching that's not subscribed to do so, and help grow the channel so I can make some better content and do some more videos for you guys. But I just want to thank everyone who has been a part of the channel so far. Really appreciate it, and yeah, tell your friends. So thank you guys very much. Now let's get into today's video. Without further ado, we got Mystery Tackle Box Elite Box in this month. It came really late, and then I've been trying to film a video, so I know it's going to be like end of June by the time this gets up, but this is the Elite June box, so this will be the last installment of doing the compare and contrast of the beginner box, pro box, and then the Elite box here. So I'm really excited to open this. It is $40, I believe, but you get like over $60 with the bait, so seems to be worth it. First things first, they did throw in this Nico thing, which I've never used, but I actually just got crazy sunburn on my neck, so I should have used this. But you just put it over your head and wear it on your neck, and you can do a couple different things with it. But I think this was like 13 bucks, and they threw it in for free just for getting the box, so that's pretty cool of them. But yeah, so I'm going to open it up. I know I don't have the camera pointed down, but I'll just show you guys the baits. Alright, so it's the same kind of deal. You get the flaps and everything, same box style. But let's get the bait card. So first they got the Lucky Craft Gunfish, which I've actually seen a lot of guys on YouTube using lately. So it's like a walk the dog style bait. I hope you guys can see it. The lighting in here is not the best, but yeah, it's like black and yellow. And this retails for $15.99. It's a pretty spendy little bait, but yeah, it's a nice little topwater bait. Walk the dog, but I guess it has like a cupped mouth, so then it spits water out as you go too. So a lot of action out of this thing. So I'm really excited to use it, especially now that I got a new topwater rod and reel combo. So you guys will have to. I might do that too, just a little rundown of that rod and reel. But there's that guy there. Really interesting color. Got some rattles in there, so that's nice. So that's the Lucky Craft Gunfish, $15.99. Next we got the Optimum Original Swim Bait, which I believe is right here, yeah. So this is the Optimum Original Swim Bait. It's in a 5/8 ounce size, and it's called a Ghost Minnow color. Get it out for you guys. I think it's pretty cool. It's like a nice little medium-sized swim bait. Nice kind of green on top, clear ghosty color, I guess. Nice tail action. Heard a lot of good things about this. Hopefully, should get a lot of use. Hopefully. And that retails for $8.99. The Optimum Original Swim Bait. So that'll be a good lure to use. Next up, we have the Strike King Rage Toad. That is kind of a staple. And you do get a full 5-pack here. And this is in the green pumpkin color. Pretty classic, pretty standard color. And it's the 4-inch size. Of course, you get the coffee scent with it as well. I don't know if I said Rage Toad or Rage Craw, but it's the Rage Toad. So it's a nice little top water. I can get one open here and show you guys, that'd be cool. There we go. Yep, just a top water toad. Green pumpkin color, pretty nice. Definitely smells like coffee. And those retail for $5.99 for a full pack, so it's a pretty common bait to use. Strike King's a really good brand, really reputable. So with that, we get the, hopefully I'm not butchering this, but it's Daiichi Power Pack, which is this pack of hooks right here. It says Toad Hook Pack, so I'm guessing it's going to go with the Rage Toads there. It's got a couple different sizes, a couple different screw locks. Oh boy, my neighbors are talking now, so that's cool. But yeah, so this is $3.99, a few different styles of hooks. Could use those with the toads or with a bunch of other stuff. So next up we have the Live Target Bait Ball Spinner Rig, which I'm really intimidated to use. I've never used a spinner rig before. I've seen guys catch fish on them. But that's the nice thing about Mystery Tackle Box. They throw in stuff that you normally wouldn't think to try out. So now that I got one, I'm going to try it out. It's half-ounce size. There's just a few. I'm not going to take it out of this packaging just because I don't have anywhere to put it at the moment. But it's just got some like gold minnows in there, and they're just attached to some wires. And there's only one that is actually hooked, so if they bite one of these, they won't get hooked. But yeah, you can interchange the minnows and stuff, but that's pretty cool. That retails for $14.99, so pretty expensive little rig, but we'll give it a shot. Probably won't be my first choice, but next up we got the Lucky John Pilot X, which is this little crankbait here. And this isn't a Mystery Tackle Box exclusive color. Doesn't say what color, I don't think. Maybe it's just an exclusive bait altogether. But this retails for $8.99. I'll get it out here. It's like a little medium to deep diving crankbait. Well, it's 0 to 2.5 feet, so I guess not very deep at all. It has a really big bill on there, but nice color. Got rattles, you can hear it. Hooks look okay on it, but yeah, nice little crankbait. And yeah, that's $8.99, so pretty good price. And then last but not least, we have the V-Tail Shad Duo Reels. Realist? Duo Realist, I guess. V-Tail Shad. I guess they're coming out of China or Japan. They have Japanese or probably Japan. They have writing on it. I can't read it, but so this is like a little swim bait, almost kind of like a fluke, but it has like a split tail there, and it's kind of like a shad. Be good to like throw a small Texas rig or little swim bait rig. Yeah, nice little shad. I like the color, nice white, got the silver flakes in there, real nice action. So, and that retails for $5.49 a pack. So this will also be getting a lot of use. I can see myself catching some good fish on it. And then yeah, also get the magazine, and then nice little sticker, very festive for the 4th of July coming up. Got some lures and stars and things like that. So overall, pretty good box. Get some hard baits. I think 3 hard baits, swim bait, some hooks, and a couple soft plastics. It's awesome tackle box. But yeah, pretty impressed with it. I think overall though, I'm probably gonna go with the Mystery Tackle Box Pro Edition, just because it is a a little cheaper. I don't see myself spending $40 a month on tackle every month, even if I didn't have mystery tackle box. So I think going with that would be good, because you still do get the full packs of baits, and you still do get more hard baits than the beginner box, but it's still at a reasonable price. I kind of knew that one before I even unboxed this one, but I wanted to see what the difference was, so I did get this for a month. Yeah, so that's kind of the unboxing, I guess, and that's going to be my verdict on the mystery tackle boxes. And if you guys do want to check them out, again, I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I do think they're an awesome product. I'll leave it linked down below. And yeah, so I guess now I'll give you guys a little rundown on this new rod and reel setup I got. It's a new topwater setup. I needed some new topwater stuff. I love topwater fishing. It's one of my favorites. I'm pretty sure it's almost everyone's favorite if they really think about it, and they're fishing it the right way. So I went with Lew's TP1 Performance Speed Stick for the rod. It is a, well, it says for topwater and jerkbaits, but it's a 6/8 medium light fast action rod. So it's got a lot of give in the tip, a lot of flex to fight the fish, to play with them as they hit the topwater lure, so you're not ripping the hook out of their mouth. It also allows you to get long casts, which is nice when you're fishing topwater. Let me get this figured out here. Yeah, so that's kind of the rod. 6/8 is a good shorter rod, because when you're doing topwater, you're kind of hitting the rod down like this to get some cadence and to make the bait move and get the right action. So you don't want a super long rod, because then you're going to be hitting the boat or the water or the bank or whatever you're fishing off of. So a shorter rod's pretty nice. I like a shorter handle end too. It just lets you have more control of the rod, because when you're topwater fishing, having control is how you make the bait move and get the action you want out of the bait. It's all with the rod. So that's kind of the most important features of the rod, and I got a topwater specific rod for my topwater application. Yeah, so reel next. We have a Lew's Speed Spool LFS, which is lighter, faster, stronger. And it's a SSG1 SH bait casting rod. So it is super low profile, so it's really small and it fits kind of in the palm of your hand, and it's not very bulky. It's super light. It is a fast speed gear ratio reel, so it's a 7.5 to 1. So my really only reasoning for going a little bit faster was if I do make a super long cast on a topwater, which I do like to do, allows you to be in the strike zone a little longer. If a fish takes it and I have a ton of line out, getting line back quickly would be good. So a faster speed reel would be good for that. So that's why I kind of went with that. Yeah, it's got the magnetic brakes on the side. Really nice drag system. It's a very nice reel. I'll link all this down below too as well, if you guys do want to pick up some of this gear that I'm throwing. And then for line, I'm using 12-pound monofilament. I might up that as well to like 14-pound or so if I'm fishing around some cover, but I've never had an issue with 12-pound for topwater. Monofilament, it floats. You could use braid as well. I'd stay away from fluorocarbon just because it does sink, so it might impede the action of your bait. Then I do have the original Hedon Zara spook on here in the red and white color. Very nice bait. It's a 1/2 ounce, which is like the heaviest I'd ever throw on this rod. So yeah, that's kind of the new setup. I'm really excited to go use it. I haven't caught any fish with it yet, but I haven't done too much fishing recently. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm just gonna get the boat ready, kind of get my rods and reels rigged up, because I am going on a trip this weekend with my dad up north. So I will be taking you guys along with me and hopefully getting a video out of it or two. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you guys want me to do a boat tour? Do you guys want to see me do some bank fishing, take the boat out and do some panfish fishing, or go for bass on the river? What do you guys want to see? let me know in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe if you're not already. And again, I'll have the Instagram page linked down below. And I will catch you guys on the next episode of Casting with Jay. Hopefully we'll be on the lake catching some fish. See you guys.